Hello, my dear customer. I'm someone from ROOETECH, and year 2022 is a year of opportunities and challenges for us. Affected by the epidemic, almost all the world has fallen into a panic and despair, especially in some countries and regions where the epidemic is relatively serious. The recurrence of the epidemic, the most affected and direct industry is the foreign trade industry. But this year we still thanks for your support and trust. In such a severe situation of the international epidemic, you still willing to place the order to us, even with the logistical bottlenecks and rising prices. Of course, we also live up to the trust and deliver the satisfactory products on time. We are now away from the Chinese New Year just less 2 months. Affected by the epidemic, workers also have to take the vacations earlier. So we suggest if you have the painting orders, please hurry up. Then we can occupy the production line for you and help you deliver the goods at the earlier time. In addition, you can grab the market share earlier. Last, when the epidemic come to an end as soon as possible, when everything is back on track, we will also reap the fruits that belong to us. Thank you.